Because of the new tax reform that is going to take effect from 2026, a lot of business owners are now jumping into Corporate Affairs Commission to register their businesses, which is right, is wonderful. You are supposed to get a business license for legal operation for your business in Nigeria, which is right. In fact, last week or earlier this week, somebody messaged me that she registered her business with Smedan and was waiting for 2 weeks. For how long? Waiting for Smedan to forward her details to Corporate Affairs Commission to do the registration for her, not knowing that Smedan is actually different from Corporate Affairs Commission. You are supposed to carry out your business registration with Corporate Affairs Commission in their portal, either by yourself or with accredited agents. Okay, so which is right. I know why many people are registering their businesses is because of the exemption that we heard that businesses or companies are going to enjoy. But then also, if you register your business as a business name, you are not going to enjoy this exemption, because you registering your business as a business name is a sole proprietor or sole partnership business, is a one-man business. So it's just like you as an individual registering your business. So definitely your business name is still going to pay your task as it's supposed to be. You are not going to enjoy that 100 million threshold that companies are going to enjoy. So if you want to register your business now, instead of registering as a business name, please register your business as a company. Register your business as a company. In fact, if you have registered as a business name, you have done your CAC registration before as a business name, kindly upgrade your business. Okay, so let's watch this video today together, where the Corporate Affairs Commission task force had their meeting. So you can watch the video and see what they discussed there. Let's watch this video together.
How the new tax law will affect registered businesses that are not incorporated.
So I'm Chioma Obinagwam. I write for Confiance News, an online platform. My question borders on the business name that doesn't generate up to 100 million naira in revenue and then has a tax ID, which is a TIN. Do you still need to upgrade to a limited liability company to enjoy the exemption? Because another question borders on what I've been here, because we are like the front line. We deal with people. So people are scared that these laws will be politicized. You know, there will be sacred cows at the end of the day. And I see that as a gap. So how do you intend to address that? Thank you.
All right. So we would answer each question as you ask them, because if you are recording, so you can take that bit as you may need it. And members of my committee can also come in if they want to add anything. So your first question is, I have a business name. It's not incorporated with CAC, or it's incorporated but it's not a limited liability company. So my turnover is less than 100 million. Would I enjoy the incentive? Okay. So do I need to upgrade? So the way the law is, the way it works is that a company is seen as a person in law that has to pay taxes. So if you have not incorporated your business as a limited, and the other forms of limited liability companies, if you have not operated it, registered it like that, you will not be able to enjoy the company income tax rate of 0%, because company income tax rate does not apply to you. In that case, for your business name or your enterprise that is not even registered as a business name, the regime that will apply to you is the informal sector presumptive tax. So that has some level of exemption for small businesses, but not up to the level for a company. So I would advise that if you can, just register a company.
So I believe you heard everything they discussed in that conference. I believe you heard everything they talked about in that meeting. So kindly register your business as a company, okay? Instead of registering as a business name, register as a limited liability, okay? So whether it's public, whether it's private, even if it is a 1 million share capital, you can register it that way, as far as it is a limited, okay? So we have created videos on how you can upgrade your business name to a limited liability in case you have registered as a business name. And also we have created videos on how you can be able to register your business as a company direct, okay, instead of registering as a business name. So we have created videos on how you can do everything concerning corporate affairs commission, that's your CAC business registration. So kindly watch our content. You can follow this link to watch our videos on how you can be able to upgrade your business name to limited in case you have registered your business before, okay? And also you can follow this link as well to watch our videos on how you can be able to register as a company. Like in case you have not done any registration prior to this time, you can just register your business direct as a limited, okay? So in case you still need assistance, you can still contact us for assistance, okay? And if you want to register for other people, maybe to increase your stream of income as well, we'll teach people on how you can be able to use the business registration with corporate affairs commission as a side hustle, where you can earn 10 to 15% income registering businesses. Then also, please ensure that you watch our videos on how to upgrade your business name to a company name, so that you can be able to enjoy this 100 million threshold that other or maybe small companies or maybe companies are going to enjoy. If you register your business as a business name, you are not going to enjoy it because it is a one-man business. It's a sole proprietor or sole partnership, and you are not exempted in paying your task, okay? So kindly watch our videos. You can follow this link to watch our videos on how you can be able to upgrade your business name from just a business name to a company all by yourself. Or if you have not done your registration before, you can register your business direct as a company. Even if it is a 1 million share capital, just register it like that, and you are to enjoy this 100 million threshold that CAC or maybe tax reform are exempting for companies, okay? So in case you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification for wonderful videos like this. Have a nice day. Bye.